Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this hair right here. It's the deep wave hair by haloladyhair. It comes with some eyelashes. It also comes with a wig cap, and it also comes with the wig as well. I thought I was filming where I unboxed the packaging, but I wasn't. But anyway, this is what the hair looks like. The hair also comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It also has an elastic strap at the back as well, in case you want to use that to secure the hair. And that's what the construction of the cap looks like. The construction of the cap is very neat, and it's a 13x4 lace front wig. So I showed you guys what the hair looks like on me before applying any product on the hair. The hair also comes with a center part straight from the box, so if you're the type that doesn't know how to pluck your closure or your part, then that's already done for you guys. And also the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so all I did was just apply the hair on my head, and I decided to cut the excess lace off the wig. So that's what I'm doing right now. I cut off the excess lace of the wig, and before then I've actually applied my wig cap under the wig just to make the hair look natural. It's normal anyway, but I didn't do the bold cap method. So I placed the wig on my head, and I started with the side first. I laid the two side down with the bold old glue. I decided to use glue because sometimes I just like to wear the wig and have the feel of the wig for days before recording the voiceover, so I'll be able to tell you guys what the hair really felt like for like days, because I just felt it makes sense anyway to wear the wig for a while before doing the voiceover review for you guys, apart from the first impression which I did for you. So moving on, I applied the bold hold glue on both sides, and I actually did like 2 layers. When I noticed that the glue was already invisible, which means it's dried and clear, I placed the wig exactly on the areas where I applied the glue on. I did the same thing on the other side as well. So that's all I did about installing the hair. Then when I'm done with that, I decided to pick the baby hair. Guys, you guys know that I'm not a huge fan of baby hair, but because it's curly hair, for some reason I just believe baby hair is sometimes necessary if you're installing your curly hair. For some reason I just felt that way, but I'm not quite sure. If you do that, let me know. If you don't, just let me know. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe no, but I'm not quite a I'm not quite a pro when it comes to baby hair. Anyway, I put the hair down, and I showed you guys all the types, all the style that I would go for. I really like this hair. For some reason I thought it's really full, and the quality of the hair is really amazing. Like, I wore the hair for like 4 days actually, and I quite like the fact that people were saying, oh, is that your hair, is that your hair? It's not my hair, it's actually wig. I really like it. It felt so natural, and the curls were really popping, guys. The curls were popping. I didn't really had a lot of the product on the hair because I didn't want to weigh it down. I just added the Lotta Body oil spray, and I added the leave-in conditioner on it, and guys, voila, that's what the hair looks like. I really like the quality of this hair. I can't emphasize on how much I really like the quality of this hair. It's so amazing, and it doesn't have any nasty smell to it whatsoever. The hair felt really soft and silky. There was no shedding, there was no tangling whatsoever throughout the 3 or 4 days that I wore the hair for. There was no shedding at all. And guys, ignore my pads. I use my contour shade to apply the pad, but never mind. All that really matters in this video is just to show you guys how I would style the hair, and give you guys any of the options that you could go for depending on the look you're going for. You can style the hair anyhow you like. This is just me showing you the style that I would go for. Look at the curls, guys. It looks so natural. I really like the curls of this hair. It's so nice. I really like it. And I showed you guys another style, which is a center part that came straight from the box. Ignore my baby hair, guys. As you guys already know, if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, You know that I'm not a huge fan of baby hair, but for some reason I just like to do it sometimes. So that's another style for you guys to work with. Look at that. You don't have to do much. Bear in mind that you can use, the elastic strap at the back of the hair to secure the hair. So if you're the type that you normally wear your wig and take them off, at night, then all you need to do with this hair is just to wear your elastic strap and you're good to go. Then when you get home at night, it's gonna be easy for you to take the wig off. But for me, I want the wig to stay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about this Hello Lady hair right here. The hair is in length 14 inches and it's a 13 by 4 lace wig. I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. The first thing I noticed when I unboxed the hair was the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and also the hair also comes with a center part, which I'm wearing right now. All I did was just apply my contour powder on the hair just to make the part more obvious. And that's it so far. You don't really need to do much with the hair because it's a curly hair. And another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that I could easily get away with using the elastic strap at the back of the hair to secure the hair, but I just decided to use glue because I actually wanted to wear for the wig for about a week. The thing I noticed about this hair is the fact that you don't need to apply glue or gel on the hair to secure it, or you can still use the elastic strap at the back of the wig to secure the wig without needing to go for gel or glue. But I decided to go for glue anyway because I actually wanted to wear the hair for a while. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that there is no shedding or tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair, and the hair is really soft and silky to touch. So I didn't apply much product. All I applied is the She Moisture leave-in conditioner and lots of body oil, just to give it a little bit of sheen, and that's all. Like, that is all. Very easy to install. It's very easy to style, and bear in mind that you can style it and pat it anywhere you like, just like your own natural hair. And remember, you can pat it anywhere you like within a 13 by 4 closure, so you have the option to pat it up to the back. So the choice is yours really, depending on the style you decide to go for. I'm actually feeling this center parts that came straight from the box because there's no need for me to pluck my parts or do anything whatsoever. So I really quite like the fact that it's very easy to install. There's no need for me to do anything at all to the hair. Just cut off the lace and I'm good to go. I really like that about the hair. Another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that the shipping was really quick. It took about 4 days to get in the UK, which is quite reasonable in my opinion, and it doesn't have any nasty smell whatsoever to it, which I really like. And the quality of the hair is also amazing. As you can tell, the hair feels really soft, and there's no shedding or tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. Guys, I really like this hair, and so far so good. That's my thoughts about the hair. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.